You can mark it out on the map. So any market outside the official mining lease will immediately flow up. This is the best action that one can have, rather than just keeping on crying. This is country, everything is going wrong.
यानी कोई भी आदमी कहीं से भी इस मोबाइल लैब से इंडिया के अंदर वहाँ का नेटवर्क लेकर के उसका फोटोग्राफ जैसे ही सेंड करेगा तो उस नक्शे पर वहीं पर आकर के आपके उसी फॉर्मेट के सामने से बढ़ जाएगा और उसका एक ट्रिगर भी होगा कि इस जगह पर इस तरह का एक फोटोग्राफ आए।
This was about the state of Goa, the state of Odisha and the state of Jharkhand. The Goa matter has again gone to the Supreme Court and the matter is pending to the Supreme Court. What has happened in the case of Goa is that the revenue loss which was estimated by the Commission was challenged by the Goa government, and that portion of the Commission's report was actually in a sense struck down by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court's order of April 2014 said that the Commission of Inquiry had not gone through the basic procedural requirement of affording an opportunity against whom they were recording findings. And therefore, to that extent, the Supreme Court has very clearly said that no prosecution can be launched purely on the basis of the findings of the Shah Commission with respect to Goa. This is the factual position.